Morning students. Today exercise 1.4 third sum. Find the square of the following. Find the square of the following. 17,203. These two sums you must write in the homework. How to do the sum in third sum for I say and give the sum. What is the third sum? 1098. Solution: the square of 1098 is equal to, square meaning is given number you multiple in 2 times. Square meaning is given the number multiple in 2 times. So first step, you start the bracket, given the number write in inside and close the bracket. Power is 2, square. This is 1098 whole square. Square meaning is power 2. Given number 2 times multiple, 1098 into 1098. Multiple inside, must do in the rough column for do in the multiplication, get it the answer. So 12 lakhs 5,604. 12 lakhs 5,604 is the answer. So these two sums same method only. So 17, how many times want to multiple? 2 times. 17 into 17, side 2 multiplication do in, get it the answer. 203 also multiple in 2 times and write it the, get it the answer. Solution steps write neatly and submit the homework. As usual, fair note, continuously write enough. Next question. Fourth Roman letter. Examine if each of the following is a perfect square. So what is the meaning this step? Given the number is perfect square or not, find. Given the number is perfect square or not a perfect square, want to find. So which method want to do there? LCM method only, easy there. 725. Solution. So LCM method, divide the number. Fifth table, 5 for only over that one's place, you select in fifth table only 5. 7 to how many 5 is there? 1 5 is 5, 6 7, remaining 2 there up you write 2 and 2 22. So now 22 for how many 5s? 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. 5 only over, you again you start in fifth table. 1 is not possible, you select in 14. So 2 5s are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, remaining 4 that up you write 4 and 5 45, 9 5s are 45. 29 is the prime number, it is possible in 29th table only. 129 is 29. So this all the one is, what is the number? Factor numbers. So 725 is equal to 5 into 5 into 29. So 2 5 is there, 29 is only 129. Square for must need in 2 numbers, pair number is there need. So 29 does not have a pair. 5 for another 5 is there, 29 another 29 is there not. So 29 does not have a pair, therefore 725 is not a perfect square. Okay, now next sum 190. Same method only, do the work. LCM method to divide the number. 0 and 5 over in one's place, you select in fifth table. 1 is not possible, 19. 3 5s are 15, remaining 4. 4 and 0 40, 5 8s are 40. 38 is the even number, you take in 2 table. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 9 2s are 18. 19 is possible, 19th table. 119 is 19. Now these factors right here. So 190 right after solution. 190 is equal to 5 into 2 into 19. 5 into 2 into 19. 5 for also not have another one 5. 2 for also not having another one 5. 19 for also not having another one 19. So given number is not a perfect square. 5, 2 and 19 does not have pairs, therefore 190 is not a perfect square. Third question, 841. So divide the number, which table for only possible? 29th table only possible. 29 into 29 equal to 841. 29 is possible in same 29th table. 129 is 29. 844 is equal to 29 into 29. So 2 pairs. Therefore 841 is a perfect square. Fourth question 1089. Fourth question 1089. So 1089 LCM method divide the number. First third table select. 1 is not possible 10. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Again you say take in the third table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 121 is possible in 11th table. 11 11s are 121. So this 11 is possible in 11th table. 111 is 11. Now 1089 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Now 2 numbers. So therefore 1089 is a perfect square. All 3 for also have the pair, 11 for also have the pair. Therefore 1089 is a perfect square. Next Roman letter, find the square root by prime factorization method. Find the fifth Roman letter exercise from find the square root by prime factorization method. 144. Solution square root of 144. First step, the square root for using the symbol is stick symbol. Full number want to cover 144. First step right. Next this one LCM method only want to do in the division. So prime factorization method you selecting prime numbers only want to select the numbers. So 144. 2 is the prime number. 1 is not possible 14. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again take in the 2 table. Fourth table for also possible, should not take in fourth table. Why? 4 is the composite number. You select the prime numbers only. 3 also select, no problem. Now 2 table only easy. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Again 1 2 is to remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. These numbers and all 2 and 3 is the prime numbers. Which numbers and all prime numbers? 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 20 23 27. These numbers and all prime numbers. So select these prime numbers only, do in the division. Now square root of 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So square root symbol from writing all the numbers. Before number square for simply only the writing. Now square root asking for must use in the square symbol. Next two numbers from selecting one number. You should not put in the square root. Underline the number pencil to 2 number. 2 from you write in 1 2. Next symbol is into 2 from writing 1 2. 3 to 3 from you write in 1 3. Should not put in the square root. Why? 2 numbers from you take in 1 number. Hereafter no need to put in the square root symbol. You multiply and write. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So 100 and square root of 144 is equal to 12. Your sum is correct or not? How like that? Check. Come the answer is, what is the answer? 12. 12 into 12. 12 12 sir, what is the answer? 12 sir 144 is come the answer. So your sum is correct. Otherwise your sum is wrong. Checking for only. Now 256. Square root of 256 equal to first step. Square root of 256. Remaining you do the homework. Okay. 256 is the homework. I start the step. Square root of 256 equal to 256 square root symbol, right? You do in the LCM method and find it the answer. So 256 also homework. Next sum, third sum, 784. Square root of 784 is equal to square root symbol from right. 784. Divide the number. 784. 2 table. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are 4. Again selecting 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 9 2s are 18. 6 2s are 12. 9 2s are 18. Remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Remaining 1. 9 2s are 18. 7 7s are 49. 1 7 is 7. Now come the factors here, right here in 6 square root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 2 2 from right in 1 2. Next 2 2 right in 1 2. 7 7 into 7 from the right in 1 7. 2 2s are 4 into 7. 7 4s are 28. Therefore square root of 784 is equal to 28. Fourth sum 1156. Same method only. Square root of 1156, square root symbol from right. Divide the number 2 table first. Again also use in the 2 table. Now 289 is possible in 17th table only. 17 17s are 289. 117 is 17. Now 2 into 2, 17 into 17 is the factors. This 2 from writing 1 to this 2, 17 from writing 117. 2 number also multiple and write square root of 1156 equal to 34. Okay, next question. 4761 is a perfect square or not a perfect square. Do in the division in LCM method. Square root of 4761 is equal to square root symbol right, and this number square root inside right 4761. This one do in the LCM method. One is finished, you select in first third table. 1 3 is 3, remaining 1. 5 3s are 15, remaining 2. 8 3s are 24, remaining 2. 7 3s are 21. Now again start in third table. 1 is not possible, 15. 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, remaining 2. 9 3s are 27. Now 523 is 29 is possible in 23rd table only. 23 into 23 right. This 23 is possible in 23 table only. 123 is 23. Now square root of 4761 is equal to square root of 3 into 3, 23 into 23. 1 3 123. 2 also multiple and write 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Therefore square root of 4761 is equal to 69. Your sum is correct or not? How to they check? 69 multiple in 2 times. 69 into 69. Question is come or not, check. Now 9029. Sixth sum 9025. Square root of 9025. Write the first step. Square root symbol 9025. Right after do in the LCM method division. 1 5 is 5. Remaining 4. 4 and 0 40. 5 8s are 40. This 2 is not possible. So write in 0. This 2 and 20. Now you select the 25. Now 2 also you select in 25. 2 is first not possible. Now 25. 5 5s are 25. Next 1 is not possible, select in 80. 3 5s are 18, remaining 3. 6 5s are 30. 1 5 is 5. 361 is possible in 19th table. 19 19s are 361. 119 is 19. Now come factors. 5 into 5 into 19 into 19. 1 5 into 19. 5 into 19 is equal to 95. Square root of 9025 is equal to 95. Next very very important sum. 6 Roman letter from started. 6 Roman letter. Find the square root by long division method. Division method must do in the as usual division method only. Square root for how to they want to do. Find the square root by long division method. 1764. Divide the number. First put in the symbol. Long division method for you put in the symbol, division symbol. Given the number inside you write 1764. So 2 numbers underline that. First ones place to underline. First ones and tens place. Next 2 numbers. Now 17 from square root for how many square is there have. So use in the square table only. Right inside 1 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. Now see there given the number. First 2 number is what is the number? 17. 17 inside have the number is 16. So which number multiply and get the answer is 16. 4 4s are 16. So now underline that pencil to these numbers here you want right. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 7 minus 6 is 1. This is the first step. Understand the step. Given the number write in inside. 2 number underline. First number is 17. Using the square root table and multiple the number. 4 4s are 16 only possible. Here write in 1 4. Here write in 1 4. Answer writing down. Okay, now 7 minus 6 is what is the answer? 1. This is the first step. Next step, these two number writing down. Next two number is, what is the number? 64 writing here. This one right after here come the 4, you multiple here. 4 into 2, pencil to do. 4 2 sir, what is the answer? 8. So round this number, this 8 here you write. This is the second step. First step is over. Second step for first you write in 8. I am not write here, so some place leave and write in here 8. Now 164 for how many times possible? Now common number is 8. First write. Table from square root table from, what is the number? 1 1. So 1 into 1. First you multiply and get it the answer. Next 8 is a common number. 2 into 2 is the square root number. 8 3 into 3. 8 4 into 4. This is the numbers. First you select 1 1 is 1, 1 8 is 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 4 4s are 16, remaining 1, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1 equal to 33. Okay, now here number is, what is the number? 164. Here having 164 here only. Which two number multiple for come the answer? 164 2 2. So this 8 near 1 2 right, 4 near right in 1 2. Come the answer is, what is the answer? 164. 164 minus 164, answer is 0. Clear? In this number and all, now no use. Now 164 is have the number only right after over the work. Now last step, therefore square root of 1764 is equal to, what is the answer? 42 only answer. This sum about any doubt? See the second step again. Come this answer, you multiple whatever number here coming. 5 5 are 25 also comes, 5 only right. 5 into 2 equal to 10. So here 4 only they are coming. So 4 into 2 multiple and write the answer here 8. This 8 what they want to do? 8 into 1 into 1, 8 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3 into 3. Suppose here come the number is 5, 10 means 10 right. Now which number? 164 is coming the answer. These two numbers also no need to consider that. Strike out this number. 164 is enough there. Which number writing for 164? 2 2 writing for. So 2 here you write, there 1 2 write. 0. Therefore square root of 1764 equal to 42. Must you do the sum, the homework 6889. You do and send the answer in our group. Thank you.